Hello everyone, we are from Group 5 and welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to talk about a very relevant topic in this digital age, data security in the AI era. But before we begin, let me introduce our group members. My name is Dewo and I'm here with my partners Rafif, Adel and Anin. As we know, AI is growing so rapidly. It brings many benefits but also new challenges, especially when it comes to how our data is protected and used responsibly. In this podcast, we will discuss both good and bad sides of AI with our amazing guest star, Mr. Aulada Ahmad Arsa. So, let's get started.
Okay, Mr. Arsa, good evening.
Even yes.
For the first, if you had to choose, do you think AI brings more benefits or threats to data security, and why?
If I have to choose between AI brings more benefit or threats, I think AI brings more benefit than the threats because in this digital era, AI can analyze some huge data that human even can do.
Then, how do you think AI can help improve data security system, such as detecting cyber attacks or preventing data leaks?
I think by automation detection about the suspicious activities.
Such a amazing answer. So next question, how can the application of AI in data security help universities or companies, such as machine learning, like it can detect cyber threats, prevent data breaches, and etc.
I think AI can help companies to control the huge data.
Okay, next question. Do you think there is a risk that our personal data could be misused when fed into AI systems?
I think yes, there is a risk with our personal data if we use some application. There's some cookies like the system will use our personal data as their control to manage our preparation.
Okay, Mr. Asa, I want to ask you some question. Could AI actually create new opportunities for hacking and larger data leaks? As we know, AI is advancing rapidly, but does this progress open up new opportunities for hacking and data leaks?
Yeah, of course, AI can create a new opportunities for hackers, such as they can generate some fake information to hacking some web or hacking some information.
Okay, the next question is, in your opinion, what should user like student and the general public do to stay safe when using AI service?
Yeah, I think we need be careful and read some term and condition before using the application because the AI can use our personal data to manage the personalization, right?
Yes.
So that we need to read before using the AI service.
So, that's all for today, our podcast about data security in the AI era. We want to say a big thank you for Mr. Aulada Ahmad Arsa for sharing your valuable insight and thoughtful answer. And also, thank you to all my partners for giving the question and anyone who listening this podcast. Technology is powerful, but safety is starts with us. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. In our last podcast, we're talking about data security in the AI era with Mr. Aulada Ahmad Arsa. And today, we will talking about the same topic, but with different guest star. So, our guest star today is Muhammad Abdul Qudus Salam. And here with me are my partners, Anin, Rafif, and we have Adel, but she is unable to attend today. So, let's get started.
Okay, Kudus. For the first, if you had to choose, do you think AI brings more benefits or threats to data security, and why?
I think it depends on where you look and the aspect of if it's beneficial or it's become a threat. So when it becomes a threat, it usually when the AI is used for uh, data mining, and if it's beneficial, it would be like if you use the AI to gather a lot of data, something like that.
And next, how do you think AI can help improve data security system, such as detecting cyber attacks or maybe preventing data leaks?
All right. So with that question in mind, I think AI could have a system in a server, for example. They could look at maybe vulnerable connections, which it could maybe disconnect it from the server and prevent the data leaks from happening.
Okay, next questions. How can the application of AI in data security help universities or companies?
Universities and companies alike can use AI to boost their data security, like when you are using AI as a protector of some sort.
Okay, next question. Do you think there is a risk that our personal data could be misused when fed into AI systems?
Yes, I think that there could be a risk because our personal data is confidential and AI should not be meddling with it because AI models could leak and it could spread out like fire.
Then, could AI actually create new opportunities for hacking and larger data leaks?
Yes, I think that AI could boost the way how hackers uh, make their code, and it could be pretty bad in the future.
Okay, in your opinion, what should users like students and the general public do to stay safe when using AI service?
In my opinion, students should uh, prevent themselves from giving too much information about themselves into AI companies.
Thank you, Mas Arul Salam, for your insights, and thank you for our contact during the session. Remember, technology is a tool, but it is not a task. Okay, thank you for listening our podcast.